Hey, good morning guys and girls. So this is just a real quick video. I know I say real quick video always, but really quick video on changing fog light bulbs. So as you can see here, I picked myself up some Silver Star H11s, which is the bulbs that are required on Ford Flex 2010, probably all years of Ford Flex. The H11s are a real common bulb size for fog light bulbs. So just to make it a little bit easier under here, what I've done is I've pulled this little shroud here, and I'll show you on the other side. See how that shroud kind of covers everything up here? So it makes it a little difficult to get in there and actually grab the bulb from up and behind. So by pulling this out, it gives you really good access. So all you have to do in the case of this vehicle is remove 2 of these screws and then pop one of these plastic rivets or plastic retainers out. I really like to use these pullers. They're made specifically for it. So you basically come into the wheel well here, the wheel liner, and you pop it out, and it allows you to pop that out easy enough. And then you peel this back, and I know it's going to be hard to see just because of the angles, but it'll give you access up into here so that you can pull the bulbs. Just one thing to note, and this is pretty much common knowledge, but I'll say it again: never touch the bulb surface with your fingers. If you've got to do it, you know, put on a pair of gloves, or just be really careful. You can sometimes use a piece of paper over top. They say that if the oils get on there, it can actually cause the bulb to burn out. I don't necessarily believe that. It's the filament that burns out, not the bulb, the glass on the outside. But you know, it's probably a good idea not to touch it anyways. So I just wanted to say that. So when you pull this this bulb out, sorry for getting my fingers in the way, just keep track of which way that bulb is turning. Easier said than done. There's the old bulb. So basically on this vehicle, it kind of goes in at you know, a 90-degree angle, and then it turns down so that this bottom part of the wiring harness faces down. And you can see that bulb is burned out. Unfortunately, they were a Philips. I might be getting the names wrong. It was like an Extra Vision by Philips. They were quite good, but they only lasted me about 2.5 years. So I decided to go with Sylvania's, the Silver Stars. I have had problems with them in the past, but we're gonna see how it goes. So basically, you've got tabs right here. So and it's hard to do it one-handed, but you push that one tab out to separate it. And again, it's easier with 2 hands. Pop the other one out, pull this right out, put the new one in, stick it in, turn it down that 90 degrees so that it's facing downwards. It's locked in, it's not going anywhere. You might have saw some water drip down there. That's just from being up underneath. You can see it underneath here. That's just the underside of the actual bumper. And here's a bunch of idiots driving through my neighborhood. So again, guys and girls, if you liked the video, thumbs up. You didn't like the video, thumbs down. Leave any comments you want in the bottom, and I'll get back to you. I'll help you out as much as I can. I know that for some people this stuff is new, so I will help you out as much as I can. Hit that subscribe button down there, and I'm posting new content all the time. Until the next video, thanks.